of this GoFundMe page is to raise funds for my son's legal defense. In December 2014, my 25-year-old son was sentenced to 50 years for a crime he didn't commit. He's now the victim of inadequate legal counsel, improper investigation, and forged evidence. He hired an attorney to represent him, and immediately after signing the contract, we were informed that his attorney would be suspended for 1 year, and the case would be forwarded to another attorney in the firm temporarily. 30 days before we started trial, we were informed again that his attorney was in fact not suspended, but disbarred, which left us with the new attorney. After the first day of trial, I knew she had lost the case. My prior law enforcement experience afforded me the opportunity to look at the evidence objectively. Trying to salvage day 2, I asked her to meet with me to review the information and prepare a detailed outline for her to present the following day. She would get painfully lost, and it was obvious. Even after that, we still ended up with a guilty verdict. The person that actually committed the crime is walking around a free man. We've obtained a new attorney. I'm confident that he can handle my son's case and get the person that actually committed the crime convicted. The new attorney informed me that the best recourse of action is to file for post-conviction relief, a case that would normally run about $50,000. He reviewed my son's case and informed me that he would charge me $25,000 to file for post-conviction relief. It may begin at the 19th Judicial District Court, go to the First Circuit Court of Appeals, and all the way up to the Supreme Court, and may render a new trial. That is why I'm here. This past Saturday was the first time I was able to stand with my 4 sons and take a family photo. No young man and no parent should have to go through that, especially when a person is innocent. There are organizations that take cases like this, such as the Innocence Project, but in order to qualify for those programs, an individual must be incarcerated for 10 years. We don't have 10 years. My mother's been recently diagnosed with Alzheimer's, and her memory is fading. I would hate for my mother to get to the point where she does not remember my son at all. I can't take her to the facility to visit him because it's a possible dangerous situation for her and may be a dangerous situation for the facility. My prayer is that I get the assistance here on this GoFundMe page. If you have any questions concerning his case, please email me at the email address provided. I will share any information that I have with anyone who donates, plan to donate, or can point me in another direction to get some assistance. Thank you. Have a blessed day.